Hello, this is Mrs. Secor, and today we want to do 3 pages in our notebook. If you could find this page, we are going to talk about central angles, drawing an angle inside of a circle. The central angle has its vertex at the center. And I'm going to give you fractions, and I want you to change the fractional term to a degree. Okay. And the technique is you want to multiply the fraction times 360. First of all, let's draw a 1/4 turn in this first circle. So we'll start at the center and we'll draw a radius going out to one of the dots. I have divided the circle into 4s. Okay, can you see that? 4 dots to help us draw. 1/4 of a turn. So if we turn 1/4, and I'll do that counterclockwise. This is counterclockwise, this direction. Okay, you can see we're going to get a 90-degree angle, a 1/4 of a circle. Now to change, again, fraction to degrees, we multiply our fraction times 360 because there's 360 degrees in a circle. So we're changing our fraction to a degree, so we'll multiply it times degrees and get 90 degrees. Okay, the next one is 3/10 of a turn. Again, we'll have to draw a radius from the center, and again we'll go counterclockwise. We turn it 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little arc to show you went counterclockwise that way. Now let's change it to a fraction. We'll multiply 3/10 times 360 and you get 108 degrees. That angle is 108. You can see it's larger than 90, right? We call that an obtuse angle. 2 more times. 3/8 of a turn. Again, I've drawn in the dots to help us cut it into 8s. I'll draw a radius. I want to turn 1, 2, 3. 4/8 would have made half of a circle, right? A semicircle, but we're only going 3/8. 1, 2, 3. 3/8 times 360 will give me 135 degrees. That angle again is obtuse, larger than 90. 135 degrees. And our last one. Here we have, oh, I forgot to draw the center in, so let's just eyeball it. We'll draw a center, we'll go out here, a radius, and we'll turn 1/6. One turn. That's a 1/6 of the pie, 1/6 of the circle. 1/6 of 360, or 1/6 times 360. I'm putting this in parentheses. I suggest that's how you put it in your calculator. Parentheses 1 divided by 6, close parentheses, times 360, and you will get 60 degrees. That's an acute angle. Let's get those names down. There's 4 types of angles. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Now I've drawn them maybe a little different. You choose how you want to draw it, but I sketched an acute angle like this. Okay, we'll highlight the vertex. Okay, and you can see it's less than 90. An obtuse angle is between 90 and 180. Again, I've drawn it upside down, and let's highlight the vertex, the point, the vertex right there. See, it's made up of 2 rays, and this distance here is greater than 90, so it's obtuse. It's not 180 though. Okay, we're not looking out here. This is called a reflexive angle. We're talking about between 0 and 180. Okay, and then a right angle. We just did that one on the other page. Don't forget your symbol. It is a like a box right there, and that was the vertex. Okay, and a straight angle. Now this one people forget sometimes. It is just looks like a line. Let's again draw in the vertex. Okay, you can see it's 180. From if you go up to here, that's 90, and then another 90, giving you 180. Thank you.